Hello everyone, welcome to this new video in which we are going to study about the get method in linked list. So how is this get method going to work in a linked list? So basically what does this get method do? As I have written over here, the get method, we have to provide it a parameter, that is we have to give it an index, okay? And based on that index, it will find out the element. Whatever element will be there matching to that index, it will just fetch. Okay, so for example, if I will be calling this get method telling it to print an element present at the index 1. So what it will search, say for example, if it is the element present at the 0th index, this is the node which is present at the 1 index, so it will give me return 10. Okay, so this is the working of the get method. Now how we are going to achieve this? What I will do, again, we don't know what is the index, right? So for working with the index, I will be working with a variable called as count. So we have already taken this count variable in the set method. Here also we will be working with the same count variable. So what I will do, I will say it, while traversing through this linked list, take this first node as the temp node, right, and point it to the head node. Okay, now if temp is not equal to null, that is not definitely not equal to null, check if this count value is equal to the index value. So here the index value is what? 1. If count value and index value are equal, which are not for now, because they are not equal, what I will do, I will just simply move the temp to the next node. Okay, I will just move this temp variable over here, and I will increment the count value to 1, right? Now I will again check if if the counter value and the index value are same. Yes, it means we are at the correct location. That means the correct node. So what I will do now, I will simply return the temp dot data. Correct? Temp dot data is what? 10. So it will return me the 10 value. Similarly, if I am telling them ki index ki value is now 2, that is I'm giving the index 2. So already it has been already traversing. So I will compare 1 is equal to 2. No, move the temp node to the next. Moved, again increase the value of the counter to 2. Now again check 2 and 2 are equal. Yes, they are equal. So return what? Temp dot data. Temp dot data return किया तो क्या value आ जाएगी? 80. Okay, so this is how the get method works. This is the logical part of the get method. Hope you guys understand. Let's now work on to the coding section. Now over here, this was the set method, and now I will be working with the get method. So what am I going to do? Because it is returning me the temp dot data, correct? If you can see it over here, it is returning the temp dot data. But this data is of what type? This is of object type, right? So I will be returning an object over here, and I will be providing it an index. It will be returning you something. Actually it is returning you data, but let us for now chalega. So I'll be taking a node temp and I will be pointing it to the head, right? I will be taking again a variable count is equal to 0. Now I will be saying, let me just traverse it first. I'll be saying while temp is not equal to null, if count is equal to index, return temp dot data, correct? If they are equal, then return temp dot data, and if not, move the temp to the temp dot next, and also increase the value of the counter. Simple. Now there must be two conditions. What two conditions will be there? I will be just writing it over here. One condition must be there if index is less than 0, then we will be printing what? Index out of bound, index out of range, and I will be writing over here throw new index out of bound exception. Correct? Then while temp is equal to not null, we are correct. If count is equal to this, रिटर्न कर दीजिए आप temp डॉट डेटा को. ठीक है, और else यहाँ पर भी हम क्या लिखने वाले हैं? अगर उसने ज़्यादा बड़ा नंबर दे दिया तो थ्रो करेंगे हम नया इंडेक्स आउट ऑफ बाउंड रेंज. राइट? अरे I don't know why it is moving on to that. I'm just saving it. Right? That is how the get method will work. Now, if I want to print list dot my get at index 2, let me just check what it is going to print. It is going to print 0, 1, 2, 60. If I'm going to print 9, which is obviously out of bound, then it will tell me what? It is index out of range. If I'm telling it to print 5, it will print 0. Okay, fine. 4. And we are done. Okay. Hope you guys understand. Thank you very much.